Hello folks and welcome back to Practically Perfect Planning. My name is Maddie and today we're going to be going over my Disney experience, but on the app. There are so many different facets to the app that can be really helpful for you on your vacation. So knowing all the different ins and outs can definitely make a vacation even more magical. Alright guys, so I am going to be using the app on a iPhone X. If you have an Android or a different iPhone, the functionality is going to be the same, but it might look just a little bit different than what I'm going to be showing you guys. So just keep that in mind. So we're going to jump in. You'll see on my screen there is a Disney World and a Disneyland app. So if you are going to Disneyland, you might be interested in downloading that app. It has much of the same functionality. But we're going to click on the Disney World app, and it's going to take a little bit to load. Alright, so I'm going to click sign in because I've already created an account. And then if you have an iPhone or any other device, there usually is a thing that says like enable Face ID or enable the thumbprint. I forgot what the Touch ID, that one. So the first time that you log in, you can do that, and then any subsequent times that you log in, it will either prompt you for your thumbprint or it will automatically do Face ID, so that's very cool. Alright, so here we have the home page, and this is just recently redesigned as of April. You'll notice that my Pop Century Resort reservation is showing up right at the beginning. If you haven't gotten to the parks yet, you can go ahead and you can click that start check-in, and you can actually check in online, and Disney will text you when your room is available, and you don't even have to go to the front desk. So that's pretty cool. If you want to know any more information about your resort, you can click My Resort and it will load all of the information. So you'll see Disney's Pop Century Resort, I can start check-in, I can choose magic bands. If you do not have a magic band, you can actually unlock your door with your app, and that's where you can access that. You can get directions to your resort hotel right from there. You can call the resort hotel, find on a map, and then you can see all the information about guests and the resort hotel address and check-in time, check-out time. You can also see dining options at Pop Century Resort in this particular case, or whatever resort you're staying at. And then you can also see any guest services available. So it says, let's keep moving, Disney's Pop Century Resort does not currently feature any guest services. It'll also show you any recreation. So obviously we've got a playground, several pools, the arcade. It'll show you shopping. It'll show you spas. No spas at the Pop. It'll show you tours or entertainment or events going on at your resort for that particular day. Now you'll scroll down and you're going to see a lot of like ads by Disney. You're seeing right here on my phone, it has Disney's Photo Pass. It's talking about Epcot International Garden Festival. If I swipe, it talks about Disney After Hours at Hollywood Studios, H2O Glow Nights, Not So Scary Halloween Party. So you can click on Learn More on any of those and it'll give you more information about those events. If you scroll down even more, you're going to see all the lovely iconic park icons, and you'll see that Magic Kingdom is open today from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Epcot has extra magic hours. That's pretty awesome. Hollywood Studios is open till 8:30, and Animal Kingdom Theme Park is open till 9:30. And then if you're interested in any show times, you can click all show times and it'll show you all of the show times for that. If you want to find your tickets or see any annual pass blockouts, those are going to be found right underneath. And then you'll see your most current plans that are happening right there. My first plan is happening in a little bit. We're going on Rock and Roller Coaster. If you want to see all of your plans, you click on My Plans and it will load all of your plans for your vacation. Another ad talks about skipping the line, ordering from your phone, and then at the very bottom you have all of your PhotoPass photos where you can see anything that's popped up in your account recently. If you need to link photos, you can do that right there. So like I mentioned, there's a lot of functionality to this app. I'm actually going to go down to the order now. This is how you do mobile ordering, which if you want to feel like a rock star at the parks, this is definitely the way to do it. You order your food ahead and then you click a button that says check-in whenever you get to the particular restaurant that you're ordering from, and you get to skip the line waiting that for that window to order their food, and you just pick up your food and walk right away. So I know that Epcot is open late tonight. Looks like Liberty Inn is going to have some food available, so I'm going to build my order. Ah, it's currently closed. Well, that didn't work. All right, let's do another food location. All right, so Cosmic Ray Starlight Cafe is letting me order. So you'll see, please arrive between now and 10 o'clock. You can see the featured favorites. You can see the entrees, the sides, and the Disney check meals or just regular kid meals, the desserts, specialty beverages, all sorts of stuff. And you just click on what you want and it will populate your bag just like a shopping bag on any other online website. And then I'm not gonna do that now because obviously I can't get it because I'm not in Walt Disney World right now, but you would click the bag icon in the upper right hand corner to check out and get your order placed. And then, like I said, whenever you get to the restaurant, you just click check in and it will let the people know in the back that you're there and they will get you your food. All right, so the other functionality that we have in the app has to do with this little icon at the bottom that has the locations. And so right now we're actually looking at the Magic Kingdom and we are looking at wait times. So I'm in Central Time. It's almost 8 o'clock Central Time. And that means it's almost 9 o'clock Eastern Time. So right now it is a 5-minute wait at Pirates of the Caribbean. I could get on board with that. 10-minute wait at the Jungle Cruise. Magic Carpets of Aladdin actually has a 15-minute wait. So it's kind of fun if you're missing the world. You can open this up and see wait times and just see, oh, this says this wait time. And then I like to play the game where it's like, if I were at Disney, what would I ride right now? But this is a really great tool for you when you're in the park so that you do not have to walk to the other side of the park to see what the wait time is. You can just open your app and see what the wait times are right there. If you're having a hard time finding a particular place on the map, you can click on the show list button and it will show all of the rides in a list. And you'll notice right now that it's actually got like Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, Epcot. So it has all of the rides all at once. So if you need to filter for a particular park, you can do that by clicking on, we'll say Magic Kingdom of this park and say apply, and it'll show you only Magic Kingdom rides. Now you can also do this for several other things. You'll notice you can do it for attractions, characters, dining, entertainment, restrooms, very important, events and tours. You can even see where all the photo pass people are. So if you'll scroll in here, this is where all the Magic Kingdom photo pass people are. And you can do it for guest services, shops, resort hotels, transportation, like they have everything here. And what's really awesome is you can actually use this as a direction, like almost like Google Maps, like a direction finder. So let's say that I want to do some attractions. So let's click, I'm going to click here on the Walt Disney Railroad Main Street USA. And obviously it's closed for refurbishment right now, but I'm going to click Get Directions and I'm going to pretend that I'm coming from the Grand Floridian Resort. Wow, so lots of things. Let's just say I'm coming from the cafe. Sounds good? All right, so this is actually telling me to take the monorail. So you see transit directions. So it'll actually tell me to head south, turn right towards Disney's Grand Floridian, turn right, board the monorail. So I'm arriving at the monorail and then I head east, turn left, slight right, and I arrive at the railroad. And what's really cool is if I was actually in Walt Disney World, it would actually show me step by step, and it has the little icon that tells you how to move and points you in the right direction. So if you need to find a way from your resort to a park, if you need to find your way from an attraction to an attraction within a park, it'll show you exactly how to get there. And it's actually a really handy thing to have while you are on vacation. All right, so we're going over one more to the plus icon here, and this is going to basically add things to your plan. So if you want to get a fast pass, if you want to reserve dining, order food, shop for Memory Maker, or buy tickets and passes, this is where you can do that. So let's say I want to get a fast pass. It's checking for my fast pass plans right now. So obviously it's me and it's asking for my party. So I'm going to click my husband, continue. And so it says choose a date in a park. Let's pretend I'm going on April 25th. Let's go to Epcot because it's flower and garden season right now, and it's checking for fast pass availability, and it's showing me all of the available fast passes right now. There's actually fast passes for Frozen Ever After. That's kind of cool. If you want to exit out of that, I'm scrolling down and clicking on the arrow to go back, and I will exit out of that. Same thing for dining. You can click reserve dining, make a reservation. You say party size for whatever your party is. I'll say April 25th again, and let's say we want to do dinner, and it'll show all of the availability across the entire resort for 2 people on April 25th. Currently right now it looks like it's only California Grill and Sci-Fi, so that's different. All right, so I think you guys got the hang of adding plans. Click next to the search icon. If you're looking for something in particular, you can just search it, and it's just like a normal search function. Let's say I want to do Chef Mickey's. So I'm going to click on Chef Mickey's. The other thing that's nice is you can also view menus on the app. So if you guys are trying to decide on a restaurant, you don't have to walk to the restaurant to see the menu. You can just look it up on the app. Now, the last icon on the bottom is the 3 bars down there, and it's basically just the More section. It says Shop Merchandise, Photos, Mobile Food Orders, your Resort Hotel, My Plans, Tickets and Passes, and then the Play Disney Parks app. You can also look at your profile. You can link to your account, get any help you need, things like that. And then if you need to sign out for any reason, that is the button to sign out. Hopefully this video was really helpful for you guys to learn all there is about the My Disney Experience app. Now, Disney does update the app quite often, and anytime that they update the app and its functionality, we are going to add a video on our playlist letting you guys know about it. So if you guys have not found this video through the playlist, definitely go check that out on our channel so that you will have all the most up-to-date information. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This series is brought to you by the Magic for Less travel agency. Their Magic Plus concierge service is designed to make you feel like a VIP while visiting the Walt Disney World resorts. Their agents have first-hand experience that is going to help you plan a vacation that meets your needs, saving you time and money at no extra cost to you. And once you've booked things like tickets or hotels, you can use them as much or as little as you need to plan subsequent things like fast passes or dining reservations or anything else for your vacation. You can request a no obligation quote at themagicforless.com and an agent will get back to you immediately. This series is also brought to you by themouseforless.com, your #1 destination for Disney news and updates. There is so much information there to help you plan your Disney vacation, things such as resort guides and restaurant information, and you can find it all at themouseforless.com. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see y'all real soon.